Hey guys, so I just shorted gold right here. You can see the drop right here. I posted all these things in my Telegram group. These are all the screenshots right before the drop happened. I got in right here and I drove it down here and I exited right here. I could have gone all the way down here, which is actually at the bottom of the channel right here, but I decided to be able to get out earlier because I was looking at it and the market makers have been pushing the price up so much. So with this scalping 1 minute chart, you really need to just be locked in and then go ahead and just take your profits and be happy with that and then move to the next A plus setup, okay? So in this situation, I was looking at it and I was seeing the price was going up, okay? But there's bearish divergence right here where you see the momentum is going down. So right here, you see there's an X printer right here. I also was on the 15-second chart and I saw there's market manipulation. The market makers are not going to push the price down. And I was pretty confident that it was going to come down, and which it did. So I entered right here and I got out right here as well. And everything is posted in my Telegram group. And then you see the drop. It went way down right here. And even right here, you can draw a trend line right here. You can see the breakout and the retest, and then you can go up there and make money that way too. But because there's so much manipulation right now, gold is really pumping right now. I was like, I want to be careful, protect your profits, and that's how you make money. You can't just like get in on every single trade. You have to be very, very picky. And on the 1 minute chart for gold, you can be very, very picky because you get so many opportunities every single day. So anyways, this is how I trade. If you're curious, check out my Telegram channel. Trying to make more content to help anyone, whether we're in a bullish or bearish environment, like whatever the market is doing, you can always make money on the 1 minute chart, which is why this is so exciting. And this is what I want to teach people what to do. So anyway, check out Telegram group. Look at the price now is pumping. And yeah, there'll be many opportunities today. And yeah, I'll post it on the Telegram group if you get some really good setups. But anyways, this is where we're at. This is what happened. This is why I pulled the trigger and made money. Very, very happy.